7th grade students. This is your history video for Friday, November 6th, 2020. So today you guys are working on the climate zones of the Middle East section. So there are a couple of questions that they want you to look at based on the map that you guys have, which is right here. So the first thing that it asks is, based on what you know about the ocean, what kind of climate do you think exists along the shore? So if we're looking here at the shore, the edges, what kind of climate would that be? And typically near the ocean, it's going to be moist, and a lot of times it's going to be kind of a cooler climate because it's near the water, so you're going to get breezes and things off of the water. For sure, it's going to have moisture in the air. So it's going to probably also be really humid because it's a warm place. A lot of it's the desert, but then it's also got that water in the air, so really humid. Question 2. What kind of climate is found in the center of the peninsula? So a peninsula is these little sections that stick out from the land. So they look similar to an island except that they're not cut off. So they're not surrounded completely by water. They're usually surrounded by like at least 3 sides. So this peninsula is all one color, and if you look at it, it says it's desert. So even though it's mostly surrounded by water, it's still a desert area. What type of climate do you see the most on your map? And again, if you look, you've got this orange color all over the place, and that is a desert climate. So the Middle East is really deserty. So sandy, dry, warm, the whole thing. And number 4, global warming or climate change occurs all over the world. What could occur in areas like the Middle East during times of global warming? So this is just speculating. It's just making a guess. So maybe the ocean could rise up and come and kind of encroach on some of that. Or this hot air could kind of maybe dry up some of this area. That seems a little bit far-fetched, but it's kind of just whatever anybody would think. So you don't actually have to write anything down for those. It was more just a discussion. Unfortunately for me, it's a one-sided discussion. So I didn't really get to hear your guys' ideas. But what it asks you to do is to come up with 2 questions of your own based on this map. So it could be something as simple as, what is the climate in Jerusalem? And then the person would have to find that spot on the map and write it. So you're going to write your own 2 questions, and that is what you're going to be graded on today. Or did you actually write your 2 questions? So in this section right here, go ahead and just write 2 questions that you have about this map, so they can't just be like random questions about what's your favorite kind of candy. It's specific to this map. So please make sure that you do that, and otherwise you're all done with history for today. It's pretty easy. So that's it. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon.